Hi guys, let me show you how I install the hair I use for my bridal look. The thing you want to do is to take back your edges using your edge control. I'll be spraying my got2b to allow this thick and stay longer. Then I'll be using my blow dryer to dry this, and if you don't have a blow dryer, just allow it to dry. I'll be using my skin protector to clean the edges of my hair where I'll be applying the glue. Next, I'll be applying my lace bond. I'm using this Wonder lace bond because it does not affect my front hair. It does not cut off my front hair. I mean, it does not affect my hairline. So I just prefer this adhesive spray. So I'll be spraying this on my edges. Once it gets sticky like this, it's almost dried up. Don't allow this to get very dry. So I'll be spraying it the second time, same side, like this, all around. Okay, I'll allow this to get dried again. Alright, while it is getting dried, I'll be using my powder palette, my shade, to tint the inner part of this the lace. If you have open places like this, just go in with your ghost bond. So I'll be tying this with my melting band. So I did the styling. If you check my other video, you see how I did the styling and others. Now it's time for reveal. Oh my gosh. 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 Okay, it's all dried up. So guys, I'll be doing my makeup, and you can see these edges. I'll be using my powder palette to like cover it up, because I won't be using any melting spray or others. I won't be using it. I'll just be using my powder after the makeup. If you check my next video, you see how I did the makeup. So let's go to my makeup. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. You can see. So I didn't use any lace melting spray or any lace melting stuff because I have a very oily skin, and I know if I use this, I'm going to sweat a lot in my forehead and the glue is going to like pull off and stuff like that. So I just used my powder to blend this in to make it look like natural. So I guess it hid it a little bit, even though not so well, but it's quite better, I guess. So I don't know if this is okay by you. You can use it. You can just apply it at the edges of your hairline, or you can get something else, or maybe I'll try something else in next time, then I'll let you know. Bye bye.